Practical number 22. To determine the amount of suspended particulate matter in air at different sites in city. Principle: environmental pollution is the unfavorable alternation of our surroundings, wholly or largely, as a byproduct of man's action through direct or indirect effect of changes in energy pattern, radiation level, chemical and physical constitution of environment, and abundance of organisms. Substances that cause pollution to the environment are called pollutants. They are the residue of things that man makes, use, and throw away. This residue pollutes soil, water, and air. The atmosphere is highly polluted area is very rich in dust, smoke, and suspended particulate matter, all due to vehicular exhaust and industrial emission. Requirement: a few freshly cut broadleaf of people plant, Vaseline, weight machine, brush, paper clip, and twin thread. Procedure: this experiment is the outdoor activity, and in exam it is given in group of 2 to 3 students. Collect a few locally available broad leaves from a nearby people plant. Wash the leaves gently in running water to remove any dust settled on their surface. With the help of blotting paper, dry the surface of leaves. To calculate surface area of leaf, draw outline of the leaf on graph paper. Now calculate the total number of full square, 1/2 square, 1/3 square, and 2/3 square, and individual small square. Add all the squares to get the total leaf area and multiply their value with 2 to obtain total area of both the surface. Step 2. Collect 5 leaf and tie it with thread and apply thin layer of Vaseline on both surface and make a bundle of 5 leaf and place it in polythene bag. Now weight leaf bundle with polythene and write your observation in observation table. Select 3 spots nearby your school: 1. Heavy vehicular traffic, 2. Moderate traffic, and 3. No vehicular traffic area. Place leaf bundle in 3 different spots about 2 hours at height of 10 feet. After 2 hours, again weight leaf bundle and fill observation table. Do appropriate calculation and write total area of leaf surface. Thank you for watching my video.